Welcome to today's deep dive. We are looking at a fundamental shift in the technology landscape today, one that moves us past the initial hype of language models. Recent data shows over 52% of enterprises are already actively deploying AI agents. McKinsey estimates this shift could add up to $4.4 trillion annually to the global economy. But if you're tuning in just to optimize your prompts or set up basic automations, you've hit a ceiling. The future doesn't belong to conversational AI, it belongs to agentic AI. This is a massive change in the human-computer relationship. We're transitioning from interacting with an intelligence that acts as a sounding board to deploying an intelligence that operates as an autonomous worker. Our mission today is to plug you into the actual future of this tech. Think of our current tech reality in 3 levels. Level 1 is the chat interface, where most people are stuck treating AI like a smart encyclopedia. Level 2 is automation, using tools like Zapier, but it's fragile, which brings us to level 3. Agents. They think, reason, and execute entire tasks on their own. To leverage this, you must adopt a core philosophy. You have to become the director, not the doer. Your job is to design the outcome and review the work. And the numbers back this up. Gartner research indicates early adopters of AI agents are seeing over 22% in productivity gains, with top performers seeing a 10x return on investment. Take IBM as an example. They rolled out agentic architectures to handle complex operations like HR cycles, resulting in an estimated $4.5 billion in productivity gains. But how do you trust an agent? You don't give it a 20-step instruction manual, you use reverse prompting. Start with the outcome and let the AI build the plan. There are 3 steps. 1, define a clear outcome. 2, provide clear instructions on the format. And 3, clarify results by giving it feedback like an intern. The landscape is exploding, but the strategy is to pick one tool. Manus AI for operations, Claude Cowork for creatives, or Claude Code for developers. We're entering an operational gold rush. The barrier to entry for complex execution is dropping, placing a premium on strategic thinking. Pick your tool, identify your task, and step into the director's chair. Invest your newly freed up time into empathy, negotiation, and true creative vision. Thanks for joining us.